Hey, what's going on, guys? HellaHard here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reinstall your wiper blade on a 98 Mercedes-Benz C230.
All right, guys, now here we are in front of my car, and I just want to go ahead and show you, I got the Bosch 24-inch clear advantage wiper blade. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and remove the old wiper blade. This thing is definitely old and needs replacing. So all we're going to have to do is lift it up like normal and go ahead and pop this back clamp off. You're going to go ahead and lift it up. You just gotta go ahead and snap it, and then once snapped off, you're gonna go ahead and push the wiper blade down and it should slide out just like that. All right, guys, and she is out. All right, guys, now we got our new wiper blade out. We're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and push this clamp up, and that clamp comes right up, and then we're gonna slide it back. It's just like the reverse way of taking it out. So we're gonna actually push this piece up and then pull backwards towards us, and then it should snap right in. Just like that. And then push this clamp down. And there you guys go. She is installed. All right. Awesome, guys.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And to support the channel, please visit the website and purchase a hoodie. When you guys do, you guys will receive a free decal in the near future. So yeah, stay tuned with your boy. And until next time, guys, peace.